Imagine this. If all the money, all the gold, all the houses, all the companies, all the cars in the world, everything were gathered in one place, what would be the total value? 1,000 billion? 10,000 billion? Or even much more than that? Today, nearly 8 billion people live on this planet. Some are poor, some are rich, and some are on the list of the world's wealthiest. But the question is, what is the total wealth of the entire world? Today, we will calculate, step by step, the estimated total value of the world's wealth. And when everything is added together, the number will be so huge that it will go beyond your imagination. Step 1. Money. Let's start with money. All the cash, bank deposits, digital money, all of it is called the global money supply. According to various economic analyses, the total amount of money in the world is approximately $100 trillion. In numbers, 100,000, $1,000. And this is just money. It does not include houses, land, gold, or companies. Step 2. Real estate. Now let's move to the world's largest asset, real estate. This includes houses, land, buildings, and cities. All the houses, apartments, offices, shopping malls, and land in the world, their total value is approximately $330 trillion. This means the largest part of the world's wealth comes from land and property, because land is limited and the population keeps growing. Step 3. Companies and stock market. Now imagine all the big companies in the world: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla. Thousands of such companies exist. All global stock markets combined have a total value of about $110 trillion. These represent the value of company shares in businesses. Step 4. Gold. Humans have been accumulating gold for thousands of years. All the gold mined so far in the world adds up to roughly 205,000 tons of gold. At today's market price, its value is about $13 trillion. And this is only gold, not silver or other metals. Step 5. Vehicles, ships, and machines. There are now approximately 1.5 billion cars on Earth. Along with them, ships, planes, trains, machines, industrial equipment. Altogether, their total value is roughly $15 trillion. Digital assets. Today, a new type of asset has emerged: digital assets, such as software, data, cryptocurrencies, digital companies. Altogether, their estimated value is $5 trillion. Final calculation. Adding everything. Let's add everything together. Money supply, approximately $100 trillion. Real estate, approximately $330 trillion. Stock market, approximately $110 trillion. Gold, approximately $13 trillion. Vehicles and machines, approximately $15 trillion. Digital assets, approximately $5 trillion. Total world wealth. So the estimated total wealth of the world is approximately $570 trillion. But here's the interesting fact. This vast wealth is not evenly distributed among all people. The world's richest 1% of people own nearly half of this wealth, and millions of people are still struggling with poverty. So the story of the world's total wealth is not just about numbers. It's a story of inequality, power, and the future of humanity.